Dua pilot Amerika Serikat menjadi sorotan publik setelah sebuah video yang beredar luas menampilkan mereka dalam pakaian militer diborgol polisi. Mereka diduga menolak tugas membawa pesawat yang penuh senjata ke Israel. Dalam video itu, sang pilot perempuan dengan tegas berkata bahwa senjata-senjata tersebut akan digunakan dalam tindakan genosida terhadap warga Palestina. Video tersebut langsung memicu respons keras dari Warganet. Kata genosida dilontarkan untuk menuding keterlibatan negara dalam pendanaan serangan militer terhadap Palestina.
On this government, the United States of America is complicit in genocide. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. They are massacring children.
If they'll arrest you.
Stop the bombs! 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 Shame on you! You're complicit! This is your legacy! This is your legacy!
Because you have to leave.
You're not allowed to film the room. That's what
have to leave.
civil liberties. It's like completely
You have to leave.
You're not allowed to film the Why are they arresting you? Why are they arresting you? Why are they arresting you?
They're arresting us for speaking out against genocide.
Stop the bombs!
The U.S.
Stop the
Congress
bombs!
is paying for the death of
Stop
children,
slaughtering babies!
women and children.
Stop slaughtering babies! I can't. Stop fighting. We are being arrested right now for interrupting a foreign affairs hearing on nominations because the U.S. is complicit in genocide. They are complicit in the slaughter of babies.
When the United States Congress comes after veterans, they will come after you. Every American sitting at home right now needs to realize that you are paying for a genocide. Take it home.
Rise